Atongoi ma kanisa ni makulia ateti methi wananda ya kavindani ka mbumbano sia awanda maimakania yuluwa kutumia ndeto sina kiko na numano ainene achathini cha kwa mudhocha mutethesia wa Bishop wa kanisa wa Catholic Diocese ya Masaku Bishop Joseph Maluki Mwangala chathikila cha toiwa kiwanzani cha Kenyatta Stadium musini wa Masaku akibishop wa kanisa u Diocese ya Kisumu ula ni wemwe kivila wangwatanio ya mabishop ma Catholic KCCB Maurice Muhatia Mukumba ni waelesia kulea kuyani wakwake ni undu atongoi maki uteti methi tumayumanga na wandani ndeto ila siya kwa tuambao ni munini wa Governor County ya Masaku Francis Mwangangi Kilonzo Mwangala Dan atinda Kenyatta Stadium na atuma Elivote.
Mwene kiwilo wanzama ya mabishop bandi ya Kenya nola ingini ya bishop wa Diocese ya Kisumu Maurice Muhatia ndanena mbewe komanoji ni waelesea kana ndi ya Kenya ndiye ndete ngalikuwela nzio undu wanu mano ila siende na ukusiwa kati wa atongoi alamesilikana alamengalikuwa ya ulei.
And we call upon leaders and especially political leaders to exercise restraint. The children listening to you are shocked. The young people listening to you are traumatized because in you is represented the collapse of their aspiration for leadership. The adults listening to you are embarrassed. You are a poor representation of our generation, and we are struggling to identify with you. When you publicly insult each other in front of citizens, you don't just disrespect each other, you disrespect the citizens as well.
Kitumini kienda thingila bata watongo ya kwitha maitumeane tombailu na kwitha mengelekani nzio kwa NND.
Please exercise restraint. This country belongs to more than 50 million Kenyans and not only to yourselves. Disagreement is okay, but insulting each other in public is a disgrace. Give us a break. We love our country, we love our leaders, but not when you do things like the ones you are doing.
Nevo Governor County ya Masaku na munini wake Francis Mwangangi maende na uthingi labata wa wigano kutumia ndeto mbailu na kuikiria nthi ya Kenya ni yethi wanamuo.
Nthi ila siaka kwa nangika siambia undo yu musumbe Ruto wambeye o sienze nthi kwa tene kuma kula kwe Uhuru Kenyatta na newa mamlaka mautongozi ya Kenya na ya kithito nda ya kithito cha kumana nda ya kithito cha ubodi andu alangi nda ya kithito cha kuania nthi no ki makabila nda ya kithito cha ikasindu ilo kweka kwa utenda ekale kithito nikela waye ainenga akenya nda ya na imatongozi kwa heshima.
Yu atongo ya mandini kuma kona siki vodokanio imane na ukuli atongo yonde maki siasa kuma nangavano sia kiutetila nindeko kwa NND. Daniel Mwongela, Mutongo TV, kuma waki wanzani cha Kenyatta Stadium, County ni ya Masaku.